My name's Nerys Evans and I'm Plaid Cymru's education spokesperson. Plaid Cymru firmly believe that education is a right and access to education should not be determined by the size of your wallet. We opposed Labour's introduction of fees a few years ago in Westminster, and we further opposed the condemned proposals to significantly increase the cost of accessing HE in England. We're really glad that the Plaid Labour government in Wales has decided not to follow England's route and has decided to protect Welsh students. We're disappointed in Wales that the Tories have said that they'll follow their colleagues in England, and they've also said, of course, that they'll slash the education budget of up to 20%. Plaid Cymru will continue with our policy until after the next Assembly election in government in May, and we will seek to abolish top-up fees and tuition fees when public finances allow. HE and FE play a vital role in economic development, and they will continue to do so. We think that more funding should be reaching the classroom and the lecture hall, and we want to increase the research capacity of our HE institutions. We want to retain the current visa regime for overseas students. We're extremely pleased with the implementation of a long-standing Plaid Cymru policy to establish the Coleg Federal, the Coleg Cenedlaethol Cymraeg, will be accepting their first students in September. We want to increase Welsh medium capacity and establish a similar Coleg Federal for our FE institutions. We want to end incorporation of our FE institutions. We want a national pay and conditions framework for FE staff. We support the ALG, the Assembly Learning Grant, and the EMA, and we will continue that into the next Assembly term. And finally, we want a national bursary system for our looked after children, so local authorities will have a duty to provide finance for children in care to access higher education.